Welcome to Blueprints.
Blueprints can be best described to have four major functions, with each function building on the last. These major functions are summarized as the blueprint's core, with the core having four levels. Level 1 represents each code's formula and tables, the raw equation that is presented in a document. Core Level 2 introduces material properties. In Core Level 3, we introduce a standard profile database and an option to build your own custom profile, which is then used to calculate the section properties. In Core Level 4, we introduce checks. This can be a single check, for example a check that only checks the normal force, but it could also be a combination of checks, for example one that checks an entire beam on both normal force and bending moments and torsion, etc. These functions combined are the core of blueprints. There are also a few non-core options. Think of exporting your calculation to Word as a docx file, or the option to get your report in a different language. Each core level will get their own dedicated playlist on this YouTube channel explaining the features that are found in that core level.